Welcome, lads and ladies, and anyone else watching from any other planets. This is a short series I've decided to make regarding how I started a YouTube channel. This is part one. I've always been passionate about creating stuff on computer, whether it be a spreadsheet, an art file or something, or even a website. I've always been passionate, but I've always gone too creative and go a bit too far, a step ahead of what I should be, kind of thing. And what YouTube taught me is a lot when I wanted to make the best opening sequence ever, so I learned a lot about different softwares, what it could do, bluff titler, stuff like that. I did come overboard with like fancy transitions, fancy that kind of stuff, way before I knew how to video edit. And that was a big mistake. A year ago I was using bluff titler to do some crazy things. The last time I used it was for my vlogmas videos. Yeah, I think that was only about just under 6 months ago. So yeah, if you're starting out, if you're new to YouTubing, don't go trying to create the most wonderful vlog opening sequence ever. Get people to know you first. Do the most wonderful opening sequence, but then when that ends, it's your video. And in transition, when I looked at my videos, like, wow, this looks good, but all of a sudden it's like, oh, okay, it's on to me. Nothing else so fantastic. No action, no kind of thing, no surfing and no snowboarding kind of thing. When the opening sequences were, it wasn't me. Kind of thing. If you follow my vlogs, you would have seen my progress. All I do now is just use text. I've gone from doing amazing opening sequences to just doing text. I mean, I don't know if that's what stopped me gaining subscribers in the first place. I can imagine that's why I lost a lot of people, because they're looking at the opening sequences, seeing me. Yeah, I don't know. I just think that if you're new, just put your name in text or something. Just put some. Don't do something amazing, fantastic. I mean, if I carry on YouTubing for the next few years and get more subscribers, I'll do something. I'll start doing opening sequences again, which match my kind of criteria, kind of thing. A little bit. I hope that's been some kind of help. If you're new, if you're not new, then this might be boring to you, but I do apologise. If you're new to my videos and vlogs, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button, and then I'm going to film part 2 straight away. So, see you in a bit.